Family fun awaits you at the Page Terrace Beachfront Hotel located on the shores of the Gulf of Mexico. For generations, Page Terrace has been here helping you create those family memories that last for a lifetime. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping the shore and enjoying a leisurely breakfast on our beachfront patio. Later in the day, you can cool off in our sparkling pool or take a refreshing dip in the Gulf. Beyond the hotel, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. From water sports and beach activities to nearby attractions and dining options, there's no shortage of things to do during your stay. We look forward to providing you with an unforgettable family vacation on the beautiful shoreline of the Gulf of Mexico. Page Terrace Beachfront Hotel, where the best family memories are made and the vacation starts. Reserve your stay online today.